Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? Students, open your computer book, page number 22. On this page we have an activity, match the computer parts with their names. Before starting this activity, we will learn about computer parts. Look at the first one. The first one is monitor. What is this? It is a monitor. monitor, monitor. Students, it looks like a TV. Look at the next one. Mouse. mouse, mouse. Students, it is used to select and move things on monitor screen. Look at the next one. The next one is keyboard. Key, B-O-A-R-D, board, keyboard. It is used to write anything on computer. And the buttons on the keyboard are called keys. Buttons on the keyboard are called keys. Look at the next one. Joystick. J-O-Y, joy, S-T-I-C-K, stick, joystick. It is used to playing games. Student, joystick is used to playing games. Look at the next one. It is printer. P-R-I-N, print, T-E-R, printer. It prints our work from the monitor screen to paper. Students, now let's start activity with me. Now look at this page. Match the computer parts with their names. Students, here are some computer parts and their names are also given here. We will match the computer parts with their names. For example, it is joystick and name of joystick is this one. Joystick. First one is monitor. Now we will find the name of monitor. Yes, this one, monitor, monitor. Match the monitor with name by using scale. Yes, like this. Look at the next one. The next one is system unit. Now find the system unit. Name of system unit is this one. No. Is this? Yes, this is system unit. Match the system unit with name. Yes, like this. Look at the next one. The next one is mouse. This one is mouse. Find the name of mouse. Is this mouse? No. Is this mouse? Yes, this is mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Match the mouse with name. Yes, like this. Look at the next one. Compact disc. It is also called CD. Is this name of CD? No. Is this CD? No. Yes, this one is CD. Match the CD with name. Yes, like this. Look at the next one. Keyboard. Now we will find the name of keyboard. Which one is name of keyboard? Is this keyboard? No. Is this keyboard? Yes, this is keyboard. Match the name with computer part keyboard. Yes, like this. The next one is printer. Match the printer with name. Yes, like this. Revise with me. The first one is monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. The next one is joystick. J-O-Y, joy, S-T-I-C-K, stick, joystick. The next one is mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Keyboard. K-E-Y, key, B-O-A-R-D, board, keyboard. System unit. This one is system unit. S-Y-S-T-E-M, term, system. U-N-I-T, unit, system unit. compact disc. It is also called CD. Printer, PRIN, print, TER, printer. Okay students, complete this page on your computer book. Allah Hafiz.